My name is Ankit Gupta and I belong to Alwar city. I have recently completed my masters in chemistry and currently preparing for CSIR NET examination. Currently I am also enrolled in B.Ed. My most memorable moment for Chegg was in this year expert meet when I was awarded as consistent performer. If we consider the count of questions, then the flow of questions is really great in the early morning time. But if we consider as an individual expert, the best time to solve may vary from expert to expert. For someone, it may be in the early morning, or someone it may be in the late night, based on their daily routine. My professional career has not yet started, but as a student, Chegg has made me self-reliant and independent. If I need help to provide any solution, my first priority is to consult a book or notes which I have. If I still need help, then I do consult and visit online resources and websites. Learning. If we consider the answering part, I will suggest them to provide step-by-step solutions with detailed explanation and all the basic formulas needed, and they must show proper unit conversions also. If there is a equation or a name reaction, then they must definitely name the equation or provide the detailed explanation of the reactions involved. I will recommend Chegg due to its ease of working. We can work from anywhere, anytime, and we not require as much such resources. Only we need is just pen, paper, and mobile or laptop which we have, and we can start solving the questions.